Level 0 is zero signal. People in this level are only aware that hacking exists. They recognize headlines, social media clips, and movie scenes related to cyber attacks. They can realistically explore curiosity, search terms, and consume beginner content. They cannot explain how computers, the internet, or attacks function. A common misunderstanding is thinking hacking begins with tricks or tools. Level 1 is curious mind. People here have started learning intentionally. They understand basic computer usage, operating systems, and simple internet behavior. They can realistically follow beginner explanations and connect basic concepts. They cannot yet explain networks, vulnerabilities, or security logic. Many underestimate this level even though it shapes everything ahead. Progress continues by learning how devices communicate. Level 2 is the code thinker. People in this level begin thinking logically about technology. They understand basic programming ideas, scripts, and how instructions flow. They can realistically read simple code and understand what it is meant to do. They cannot yet break systems or analyze security weaknesses. A common belief is that knowing code equals hacking ability. Level 3 is button clicker. People here operate hacking tools without deep understanding. They know how to run scanners, frameworks, and Linux commands. They can realistically follow tutorials and generate automated results. They cannot judge accuracy or explain findings. This is where most beginners overestimate themselves. Growth happens when tools stop being magic boxes. Level 4 is bug bounty hunter. People at this level test real applications legally. They understand scope rules, responsible disclosure, and report writing. They can realistically find simple security flaws and submit them. They cannot consistently discover complex or chained vulnerabilities. Many expect fast money here, which rarely happens. Level 5 is system breaker. People here understand how weaknesses are abused. They know exploitation flow, misconfigurations, and access escalation. They can realistically compromise lab systems and controlled environments. They cannot yet conduct professional engagements independently. A common assumption is that breaking systems means mastery. Level 6 is attack planner. People at this level work methodically. They understand reconnaissance, attack paths, and documentation. They can realistically perform full penetration tests with permission. They cannot yet manage large or complex operations. Many underestimate planning at this stage. Level 7 is defense architect. People here specialize deeply in one security area. They understand secure design, threat prevention, and system hardening. They can realistically guide security decisions and reduce risk. They cannot yet simulate advanced adversaries. A common belief is that specialists know everything. Level 8 is shadow operator. People at this level simulate real attackers. They understand stealth, evasion, and long-term access. They can realistically bypass layered defenses in exercises. They cannot yet replicate nation-scale threat behavior. This level is often misunderstood as illegal hacking. Level 9 is threat analyst. People here study advanced attack patterns. They understand malware behavior, indicators, and campaigns. They can realistically analyze sophisticated intrusions. They cannot yet invent new attack techniques. Many think this role is passive, which it is not. Level 11 is exploit engineer. People at this level build tools instead of using them. They understand low-level systems and exploit mechanics. They can realistically create original attack techniques. They cannot yet operate at strategic or national scale. A common misconception is that tools define expertise. Level 12, Threat Master. People here operate at the highest professional tier. They understand offense, defense, research, and strategy together. They can realistically lead large-scale security initiatives. They are not limitless, but they adapt faster than others. Many believe this level is reached quickly, which is false.